this is Maidenhead. I think I might just slow down, let it go. Look, I just wanted to show you how lovely it is. Somebody's taken a lot of care. It's just neat, fantastic, lovely flowers. Just a really well cared for place. And the lock keepers are fantastic, especially if you don't know what you're doing. Over the other side there is the Steve's Boatyard, standing Thomas Boatyard, and over there on our left is Eton College, and these are their playing fields, I think. Gates are opening, here we go. Okay, off from sunny Shepperton Mooring, heading to Hampton Court today. We're at Walton, having just past Shepperton Marina, and blounced out going in for fuel there due to the fact that we couldn't see how we could turn around and get out again. Okay, this is Sudbury Lock, and it's a bit like the Mary Celeste. I don't know where the lockkeeper's gone. Maybe he's gone for a... I'm just sticking the wide bit here.
Sorry?
I'm taking it that's an island, but I'll stay in the wide bit. I hope you might as well have a posh houseboat, I guess. It's like a stately home on the water. Nice little row of houseboats. Some posh, some not so posh. Coming into Molesey Lock. Just nose in, and we can just see yeah, I think we're going to be alright. Are you alright? That's about the tightest parking space we've ever had, I think, but just about got in. Didn't feel too bad. Anyway, we're in. So leaving Kingston on Thames has been very nice. Had a very pleasant evening last night. Highly recommend the Vietnamese restaurant. It's really good. Funny wait. We're going to go down to Teddington Lock and just to go see a Chandler's first. So we're going to wait for the tide, or about a little bit before the tide. The tide's at 2:20, and I think we're going to go into the lock about quarter to 2. So that's the plan. And yeah, slightly nervous, but I think we're going to go okay. And another nice place to be, really, to be honest. The Island Bell. Okay, Teddington, we're just warm the engine up, ready to get going through Teddington Lock and onto the tidal bit of the Thames, which is pretty exciting. Small differences. Life jackets on, as modelled by Caroline, and we're going to put the ropes up when we get out of here, just a little bit of extra safety, and that should do us. But the rain's stopped now, which is great, and looking forward to it. Really quite happy with how that went, really. Yeah. To be honest, was only slightly stressful at the very end, but actually it's a hell of a lot easier gliding in up current rather than down. Yeah, that all went okay. We've just squeaked in just about enough room all round. So I think it's time for a